it's a GTS. Look, a disgusting. So yes, here we are guys. Point of view drives are back. I've purchased a brand new GoPro sitting on my head right there, as you can obviously see by this video. I just got to cruise to a friend's house over at Redcliffe. I just got to drop something off, do a little bit of a point of view cruise, test out the new GoPro. The old GoPro was sort of a bit beyond repair. I took it to a specialist and he reckons it's going to be about $300-400 to fix it. So I just went out and purchased a brand new one. This is a GoPro 12. Let's see if she whines on the bridge, eh? No one around, so volume is down. Let's have a listen. Make sure there's no piggy banks. They normally hide in the corner just here. Change down. Certainly whining. So this is after the fuel pump and the chiller has gone in. So I've currently got the cabin and the engine aircon going. Obviously you can't feel that in the video, but it's nice cold air coming through. It's a very, very hot day today. Summer in Australia. Yesterday was the summer solstice, so days are starting to get shorter now. And being the summer solstice, I'd like to just wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you for tuning in and watching the videos. It's much appreciated. So yeah, this is Houghton Highway, as however you say it. So yes, this is the first point of view cruise I've done for a while, because I've not had a GoPro to do that. The camera's mounted legally on my head. So we've got a beautiful Australian made vehicle, 717 horsepower at our feet. Beautiful Queensland summer's day. Unfortunately, speaking of that, it's been raining quite a bit the past couple of weeks, and this is the first day that it hasn't actually rained. But tomorrow and the day after, being Christmas Day, it's been predicted to rain and storms a lot, so I thought I'd get out and test everything. You can see there, that's the ocean out there, the sea, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we're cruising over. This is Victoria Avenue, I think it is. No, Victoria Avenue's up there. This is the Esplanade. Good shot for coming down here if you're taking photos. Over at Woody Point here, there's a nice little boat ramp over there. You can get some nice sort of photos of what's going on over there. Being the weekend before Christmas, so Christmas is in 2 days, being Monday. Everyone's out doing their shopping. I always find that today or the day before Christmas Eve, going to the shops is actually the best day to go for a bit of a laugh, because everyone's fighting over car parks in the shopping centres to get their best spot and to get their last Christmas gifts and food. So yes, car is going well after the fuel pump and chiller install. I might just turn around down here, because there is a fire truck up there, and I can see there's a lot of people having issues getting around that, so I'm going to do a U-turn and get around here. Come on Tiger, where you going? So yeah, we're cruising up Elizabeth Avenue, and thankfully the fuel is nice and cheap at the moment. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's much cheaper than it's ever been. $1.77 per litre. We go by litres in this country because we use the metric system, unlike some other countries in the world that don't use a metric system. So yeah, cruising along Elizabeth Avenue here in Redcliffe. I'll just turn the aircon down. I'll just If you can hear sort of water running, that's actually the fuel pump. She is quite loud, so you can certainly tell the fuel pump's there. Just put the aircon back on. So I've installed my switch down here for the cabin and engine and cabin. Cruising along the Scarborough foreshore here, just about to go down to the Scarborough boat ramp. She is a little bit warm, it's only 27 degrees, that's wrong that time as well, I haven't changed that since I did the fuel upgrade and the rest of the works, because you obviously have to disconnect the battery to do that, and it was off for about 2 weeks. So I'll cruise down to this boat ramp down here. So I don't know, yeah, if you can hear sort of water running, sounds like water running, that's actually the fuel pump working. This is good. This spot here is good for getting your seafood. Can be quite busy down here, as you can see, and being Christmas time, there's a lot of people out getting their gear. Another HSV there. So yeah, big seafood place in there if you're ever in the area. To the boat ramp here. It's actually quite a nice spot in here for breakfast. I've been in here a few times in the boat ramp. Just over here on the boat ramp here on the left. So I'd like to say thanks for tuning in to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to all the videos this year. Got a couple of car reviews coming up over the Christmas break, possibly a supercharged Maloo and a couple of other HSVs as well. So as I mentioned, thanks for tuning in to watching the videos, thanks for subscribing. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe, that would be much appreciated. See if old mate's up here in his HSV. It was an R8 I think from memory. Yep, still there. Oh, it's a GTS. Nice GTS back there. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you again for tuning in.